Hello viewers, this is UXI Mobility, a program on vehicle management, common causes of road accident, vehicle maintenance, and general safety tips. We shall discuss on the importance of wearing seat belts while driving. Not wearing a seat belt while driving is extremely dangerous and can lead to several life-threatening consequences, such as follows. 1. Increased risk of injury. During a collision, an unbelted person can be thrown forward with tremendous force, leading to severe injuries such as head trauma, broken bones, and internal injuries. 2. Ejection from the vehicle. Without a seatbelt, you are at a higher risk of being ejected from the vehicle in case of a crash. Ejection often results in fatal injuries. 3. Legal matters. Many places have laws mandating seatbelt use. Not wearing can result in fines, payment, penalties, and legal troubles. 4. Airbags are designed to work in conjunction with seat belts. If you are not wearing a seat belt, the force of an airbag deployment can cause injuries. 5. Negative influence. Not wearing a seat belt set a dangerous example, especially for children who may be less likely to buckle up when they see adults not doing so. Finally, not wearing a seatbelt increases the risk of injuries or death in a car accident, can lead to legal and financial consequences, and endangers the safety of all vehicle occupants. Buckling up is simple yet crucial action not to protect yourselves and others on the road. Always ensure to make sure that your seat belt is on while you are in the vehicle, either at the back, in the center, in front, wherever you are. Make sure your seat belt is on to avoid injuries in case if there is any accident or crashes on the highway. If your seat belt is on, you are more safer than not wearing it. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share, comment. Remain safe. Thank you.